It's time for me to go ahead and throw these new headlights in. Just found these big ass bugs in there last night. Huge dragonfly type bugs. But then what was so crazy is I came on this side and it's a whole dead bird in here. So put me some gloves on because damn, this is nasty. Oh man. Ain't no telling how long this bird been dead. Yeah, man, that's disgusting. But I'm finna go ahead and throw y'all on time lapse. Got the bolt in there, and I have it's 3 bolts that you take off, and you got to loosen up the grill and everything. And so I'm finna go ahead and do those things. I'm gonna pop that hatch open down here at the bottom, so I can hit those white. It's a white clip right there that hooks up. So it's that white clip right there. Let me see if y'all can see it. Right there, right there we go. That white clip right here. That's a white clip right there. Pull that down. It's a bolt right here. It's a bolt at the top, and then you have to loosen up the grill just to slide it out a little bit. So yeah, man, y'all just stay tuned. We finna get it done. Just trying to make sure everything tight. Boy, that's at 2020 now, man. Ooh-wee, that shit crystal clear. Make sure my grill tight. I already checked to make sure all the bulbs work, so I should be straight on that. But yeah, man, that's at 2020. It's clean, crystal clear. So I'll be safe at night. I'm gonna have to do those. Come on with these. I'll be replacing them pretty soon. Probably sometime this month. Yep. Let's close this on down. Get ready to go to work. Alright, got my hands dirty already, man. Woke up and got to it though. So that looks good. Yeah, that's looking good there. Yep, that's look good. It is what it is. It didn't go in there like how I thought it was gonna go in there. That paint did not lay out. That texture is not what I needed it to be. Everything else on the paint has been glossed out. Those inner fenders, man, glossed out. Bottom of the hood, glossed out. Wheel wells, they glossed out, and that's plastic. So I know I'm capable of laying some wet paint. You know what I mean? Most of the time I get too carried away with the clear. That's what I'm always known for doing. But I painted this stuff a long time ago. And it's just time for me to go ahead and move forward with this car and get as close together as possible. This is still the original bumper from when I bought this car. So I'm just looking at what it needs to go on there right now. I know it's going to definitely be bent out of shape in that middle part. At least that's what I'm assuming. Trying to make sure I can get it all nice and tight. Just put it on here. See what we got. Because I still have another part that goes right here. That cover. I believe those are the bolts right there. So I did good with some of this stuff. I still need to make a couple more adjustments on this fender. It's almost like I need to take it loose, put something in there, wedge it in between there. But see, it could be in the door. That's the thing I don't know about on this side. It could be in the door. This line's gotta be crisp on a car like this. Them gaps gotta be right. All that body line need to be straight, razor straight. That's how I'm gonna know that it's together. And see, like this bottom need to be kicked in a little bit more anyway. It's like the door could be off. At least that's what I'm saying, because I done kept on going with the shims. And I think I done maxed out on the shims in this situation. Like I said, these are all the old parts. I'm just repurposing them. Yeah, a lot of this stuff is new, a lot of it's old. I prefer the old stuff and to just redo it. So right now I feel like I don't have enough color up under here, but I really do. I need to just keep it subtle. But so I can see spiders and stuff still on here. I need to blow this thing on off. Probably go ahead and try to blow this off. Put it on there real quick. I need to wash both of them, honestly. But I may just mock it up, just put it on there temporarily, just see how it looks. Just to give myself some motivation. So I'm gonna do that real quick. Just see what we got. Yep. Y'all know how to come over and check out OG, man. He say he got a new brake line in.
Yeah, that's just the shift cable right there.
Man, he done painted up the motor and transmission for his son. That's heavy duty. That feel good though.
Mm-hmm. And it's adjustable too. So
you're not gonna do disc on the back of your car?
Yeah.
You doing this?
Yeah.
So this is because you seen Penny had a whole bunch of problems with his stuff.
See, but he had the B&M shift cable. I went back with the factory one. He's trying to go from the B&M shift.
What's that?
Like chrome at first, headers, manifolds. Those jerks look good at first when they look.
Man, I mean, this look good. How big is that carburetor on there, man?
650.
Because they was telling me that my carburetor might be too small.
Oh, okay. That's just the 1406.
Man, y'all already know, man. Come over here and bug my guy, OG Lee. Man. So other than working on the Regal, what else you got going?
Just this and the money.
What you did on the money?
Just tinkered around with little shit. The shift cable I'm gonna swap out. I've been tuning my carburetor here and there because I ended up getting a different one. The one I had
Bigger
out
carburetor?
there was the wrong one. It was for a Buick, and I think a Buick V6.
Okay.
So when I was going and trying to, hit it wide on the throttle, trying to punch it, it wouldn't take off. It was like hesitating, like it wasn't getting enough gas. So I took it back to my carburetor guy. I drove the car to him.
Okay.
Right there in Grand Prairie. And he was like, yeah, dude, that's the wrong carburetor. I sold you that. I said, yeah. I said, man, I got the receipt at home. I'll show you. No, I trust you. He said, I'll tell you what. He said, if you want to take it off, bring it back to me. I'll open it up and we'll see if something's wrong with it on the inside for free. He said, it's already past your warranty. He said, but I'm going to charge you. Now I looked down the shelf, I said, bro, that's the carburetor I need. That's the same one that was on the car, but I don't want all the computer crap on it.
Yes.
So he was like, yeah, that's exactly what you need. That's what's made for the Chevy. I said, plus, on mine, the fuel line, when he sold me, the fuel line came straight out. I needed the one that had the fuel line coming out to the side of the passenger side.
Okay.
So I bought that one from him. He was like, man, leave this one with me. I'll rebuild it.
Y'all know we had to check out OG's money before I got up out of here. So clean up under here. What was the name of these lights again? Cause they so bright.
They're RMS. I'll send you the
Yeah.
I'll send you the cards, the numbers for them.
Because I know that's a requirement. I'm definitely got to have that.
Yeah.
But I'm looking at, man, you even put the small thing back in there.
Yep. I had it up here. Factory was up here, but I moved it up here so I can put all my fuses up here.
Okay.
But that way all my vents still work with the the factory setup. I have to change any of that.
So you running the wire harness, just still the factory wire harness, all the points?
Yep.
'Cause that's what I'm looking at. Oh, and this was I was talking about too, them bolts. Right here.
Oh, okay.
Cause I gotta get mine too. But I'm looking at, you got the shim right here, your shims. See, this one don't seem like it's as nice as the other side.
Nope. A little compared to that one.
The other one,
Look at how far I had to
I would say your driver one's perfect though.
Look how far I had to open up my hoses. That's the factory spot. This side's even more. I opened it up even more.
I remember you was talking about that. So you just went ahead and just drilled them out. That's why I need you to come over and check out my stuff while you got some time, man. Even your factory light working pretty good.
Yeah, I had the old one in there and cleaned it up. The wire had broke off the light bulb. I tried soldering it, but that shit didn't work.
Man, it's crazy how, man, a person can't tell me nothing better than this. A classic car. Look how clean this. I'm talking about, this is clean. Yeah.
On my wipers work, I just put the pump in there for the fluid.
Okay.
So I got that shit working.
Man, my